We're at OK Beer Company at West Main Lanes in Honeoye Falls today, cleaning the carpets. This is a really unique business in the Rochester area. Kind of a retro vibe to it. Old-time bowling alley, as well as a bar and restaurant. So we're here doing the carpets today. This building was built in 1948, and the current owners are taking really good care of it, updating things a little bit here, but still maintaining the charm of the place for when it was first built. Really cool business, and the owners are great. We're of course here when they're closed, working during the day, but at night this is a real bustling place with a lot of local beers that they brew themselves out behind the bowling alley. Just amazing. And really nice little restaurant area and bar area here in Honeoye Falls. There I am, Honeoye Falls, New York. And it's OK Beer. You can even pick up cans of beer if you'd like from their brewery. The building was rehabbed in the 1970s and extra lanes were added. So check them out, OK Brewery in Honeoye Falls, New York.